You ever have a great idea hit you while you're driving, showering, or walking the dog, and by the time you can write it down, poof, gone? That used to happen to me 5 times a day. Then I found one tool that completely killed that problem. Today I'm showing you how to turn voice memos into organized notes, tasks, and even draft emails using nothing but your phone and AI. And no, it's not just transcribing, it's way smarter than that. Point 1. Stop recording voice memos into a black hole. Most people record a voice note, tell themselves they'll listen later, and never touch it again. Here's the flip. Use an app like Otter, Whisper Memos, or even a simple automation that sends your voice recording to ChatGPT. The trick is not transcription, it's summarization. Record a messy 60-second ramble about your project idea. The AI strips out the filler and hands you back 3 bullet points: what you want to build, the first step, and a deadline you mentioned. Suddenly, that half-baked thought is an actionable task. I do this at least 3 times a week, and it saves me probably an hour of trying to reconstruct what I meant. Point 2. Turn voice into different formats without rewriting. Here's where it gets interesting. Record one voice note describing a concept. Then ask the AI to turn it into a Twitter thread, an email to your boss, or a journal entry. Same raw material, completely different outputs. Let me give you a concrete example. I'm walking my dog and I think of a better onboarding flow for my app. I open my phone and just talk it out for 90 seconds. What if we added a progress bar, maybe a welcome video, and a checklist for their first 3 actions? That's it. Then I hit one button and get a polished Notion doc for my developer, a 2-sentence summary for my investor update, and a reminder to test it with users next week. That's 3 pieces of content from a 90-second dog walk. Point 3. Set up voice triggers so you don't even need to open an app. On iPhone, use shortcuts. On Android, use Tasker. Set a hot phrase like log idea or note to self. When you trigger it, it opens a voice recorder, transcribes automatically, and sends the result to your AI tool of choice. No unlocking your phone, no finding the app. You just speak, and it flows. I've got one set to capture that opens Whisper, transcribes, and drops the formatted note into a daily log in Obsidian. It takes a few minutes to set up and pays dividends every single day. So here's your homework. Next time you have a thought you don't want to lose, don't fight with your keyboard. Pull out your phone, hit record, speak it, and let AI turn it into something useful. If this saves you even one lost idea a week, it's worth the setup. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. I put up practical AI workflows like this every week. Drop a comment with your best AI productivity tip. Let's learn from each other. I'll see you in the next one.